Make a great choice today with the 2007 Z4. The BMW Z4 represents a slight change in philosophy for BMW's Roadster, as it sacrifices ultimate handling for greater ride comfort and overall refinement. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, rollover protection system, braking assist, leather upholstery, airbags, front knee, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.